I've just come back from an awesome HVZ weekend at Royal Holloway University. Absolutely outstanding. And I ran my Nightingale, just put one of my blasters there. Absolutely brilliant. Got it from UK Nerf War. But I did want to find a way to check on the voltage more easily, because small blasters, small batteries, and I want to be able to check it and make sure it's not having problems. So what I've done is I've made a cutaway for using one of the voltmeters that UK Nerf War supplies. Sits in the back. And what I've done is wired it so that when I switch it off, when I switch the blaster off and then rev the trigger, or pull the rev switch, the voltmeter will light up. So I'll just show you it full functionality. So we're going on. And now turn it off. And when I now rev, turn back on. A rev. It's great.